Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita DGA402RFE 18-watt cordless angle grinder. In this video, I'll show you what's inside the box and how you change the blade and some testing on cutting metal. The package inside include the grinding wheel, wheel cover, side grip, lock nut wrench, 2 3.0 Ah battery, 1 rapid charger and 1 grinder. The wheel diameter is 4 inch. The no-load speed is 11,000 RPM. The net weight is 2.51 kg. For its feature, the spiral bevel gears for smoother rotation and a more efficient transfer of energy. Anti-restart function with warning lamp engineered to prevent motor startup when battery is inserted with switch lock on. Compact barrel grip for easy handling. Electronic current limiter with warning lamp protects motor from overloading or overheating. Wheel cover protects operator from accidental scattering of broken wheel or workpiece with minimal wheel cover movement. The carbon code for this machine will be CB430.